The call to improve sports tourism in Jamaica got louder as the sentiment took center stage at the Sandals 27th annual Baxter Canadian Golf Tournament. It was held at the Sandals Golf and Country Club in Upton, St. Anne.
Last weekend saw golf taking center stage across the northern and western sides of Jamaica. At Trial in Anova, there was the Jamaica Golf Open Classic, while in Ocho Rios, over 60 Canadians were driving their way over the 18-hole course, with the biggest focus by those looking on, the age-old call for sports tourism. Organizer for the Canadian Baxter Tournament, Maureen Barnes-Smith, who is also a travel agent, says sports is a big pull when selling destinations, especially Jamaica.
Everybody knows Jamaica for sports. One of our icons in Jamaica is Usain Bolt. So everybody associates Jamaica with great athletics, great sportsmanship. So for us, what's better way to combine the island of Jamaica, the destination of Jamaica, with the amazing sports that we have to offer?
According to Barnes-Smith, there is something special about Jamaica that makes it special for sports tourism.
I was saying to my tourist board counterpart that Jamaica is so hot. Everybody wants to be in Jamaica this year. Everybody wants to have an experience in Jamaica. So we're trying to combine not just golf, but as I said, the food, the beaches, the sun, the sand, the warmth of the people, the reggae music, everything that comes with that.
It was a similar sentiment from Jamaica Tourist Board Executive Angela Bennett.
This is a huge support for sports tourism, as this is part of our strategy, and also to bring light to Jamaica of what we provide here, even in sports tourism, and the lucrative market of golf. We have beautiful golf courses like the Upton Golf Course here at Sandals, and of course in Montego Bay we have a whole host of other golf courses.
Meanwhile, the two-day golf tournament, which was contested by 15 teams in a four-man scramble hole playoff, was won by Christopher Gregoris, Leo Tam, Tom Liu and Wendy Sue. The quartet is 65 on the opening day for a 6 under par, and then bettered it with a round of 62 on day 2 for a total of 9 under par 127.
The first day was a little tricky, to be honest, with the weather. We had a little bit of rain, some sunshine, a whole mix of stuff. But we stuck it through as a team. We had amazing caddies, and today we played even better.
For Sue, the only female on the team, the experience of playing in Jamaica was a great one.
We had a good time playing for the last 2 days, and it's a beautiful course. The caddy showed us on hole number 2, I believe, that we could even see the sea from there, the ocean, and really enjoyed playing.
Finishing second was a group of Gord Ramkisoon, Lalita Ramkisoon, Leonard Sanisharan and Lalita Sanisharan with a total of 133. The quartet of David Harris, Doug Rolheiser, Jacques Gilbert and Jason Jenkins were third after finishing a shot behind. Denise Walters for TVJ Sports.